People of occupied Kashmir are living under constant fear due to the unrelenting massive cordon and search operations by the Indian Forces personnel across the territory. An atmosphere of fear prevails in Srinagar, Kupwara, Baramulla, Ganderbal, Bandipur, Islamabad, Shopian, Pulwama, Kulgam, Poonch, Rajouri, Samba and the Kathua districts, where the personnel of the Indian Army, Central Reserve Police Force and Special Force operations of the Indian Police carry out house raids and searches. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that India has turned the occupied Kashmir into a battlefield where the Indian troops are spilling the blood of innocent Kashmiris with impunity to victimize them for challenging the illegal occupation of their homeland by India. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement in Srinagar, said India has soaked the territory into the blood of its innocent youth. An Indian soldier died after falling unconscious in Srinagar. The soldier is identified as Kikare Vijay in the BB cantonment, Srinagar. Meanwhile, one person identified as Abdul Rashid died after he was hit by a shooting stone in Paristan area of the Ramban district. A dumper vehicle skidded off the road and fell into a deep gorge in the Mendar area of the Poonch district, resulting in the killing of its driver Yaqub Azam. Daily wagers of the Power Development Department held a strong protest demonstration in the Rajouri town in the favor of their demands. The daily wages are demanding the release of their pending salary and the resolution of the pending demands, which they had projected before the authorities several times. The workers assembled near the district police lines in Rajouri town and staged a sit-in protest. After the controversial movie The Kashmir Files, communal Bollywood filmmaker Vivek Agnihotri has now launched a new series, The Kashmir Files Unreported. The Kashmir Files evoke criticism for the representation of distorted facts about the Kashmiri Hindu Pandits. Indian government has said that the Indian armed forces are facing a shortage of 11,266 majors, captains and officers of the equivalent and other ranks. The army has a shortage of 2,094 major level officers and 4,734 at the captain level. In yet another anti-Muslim move in India, the Indian Railways issued a notification today saying that two Delhi mosques, Bengali Market Masjid and Takia Babar Shah, situated on the railway lines, should be eliminated in 15 days or less. The Northern Railway Administration has sent notices to the two mosques. Hindutva goons brutally assaulted the Imam of a mosque in the Bhagpat district of the Indian state of the Uttar Pradesh. The Imam Hafiz Mujibur Rahman had just finished performing namaz at the mosque when he was attacked on his way back to home.